Hey guys, I got another one of these hard to rebuild phones. It's the LG VS425PP or the Optimus Zone 3. Read a few posts, nobody could find the screws. It says top-down design, meaning the screen is actually the first thing that goes in. And I'll show you how to take this thing apart here. I don't have the greatest camera for doing this, but it's not too hard. We'll figure it out here. So first we need to get the back cover off, obviously, get the battery out. And this is usually about as far as anybody gets. What we need to do is we need to take off this shield right here. We're just going to need a flathead screwdriver. We'll just pop that in right there. A little notch here. And just work it around. It'll come flying off at you here. Now we can access the spudger. The LCD plug is here. And there's the digitizer, LCD, I'm not sure which one's which here yet. Unplug those two. So that way you don't rip them off if you're trying to use the screen you're taking off. Then when you flip it over, what I did, so you're going to have to heat up around the perimeter. It's a glued on screen as usual. I just stuck my finger in the side of the plastic and pulled it apart a little bit. My thumbnail's definitely in there. It separates the seam, and then I'd heat up around it and use the spudger to go all the way around the perimeter of the phone. It came off relatively easy. This one's been done. It comes off like so. You got to work those cables through the bottom down there. You don't rip them off. And the screen comes off and you're left with your board here. At the bottom of the board is this black clip here that has to be removed. Alright. Then right here is a clip. Just stick the screwdriver there. We'll go ahead and get this board out. If you need to take the board out, you might not have to. I'm going to go right in between the volume button. Pop that sucker up. Hold it. There we go. Just pop it up. Okay. Now that we're here, go back to that clip again. There we go. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Now that that clips up, you can raise this up here and wiggle it out. There you go. Vibrator motor and all that assembly's part of the frame. And that right there, if it would focus, is the clip you have to separate for the board to come out when it's in this position. Oh, that's hard to get. But either way, there it is. There you guys go. That's how you take apart Zone 3.